This video will show you how to set up and use the Smeg Espresso coffee machine with Cold Brew. Begin by unboxing the machine and peeling off any stickers and removable packaging. There's a red cap located in the back between the machine and the water tank. This must be removed before use. Wash all of the removable parts, such as the water tank, the lid, filters, tamper, and the drip tray in warm soapy water. Dry the parts thoroughly and then return to the machine. Next, remove the lid on top and fill the tank with clean, fresh water, making sure not to go past the maximum line. To get started, press the on-off button located on the side of the coffee machine. You'll notice the lights on the front start to flash. This is to indicate the machine warming up. Once they're on steadily, you're ready to make your coffee. For the first use, it's recommended to do a rinse to flush through the internal circuits. The coffee machine will come with various filters. Using the double non-pressurised filter, lock the filter holder in place. Place a container underneath and press the double espresso button. Let some water flow through the spouts and then repeat this process 5 times. Next, place a container under the steam wand and turn the steam lever away from you. This will allow hot water to flow, making sure everything is flushed and ready to use. Turn the lever back to the vertical position to stop the water from flowing. By pressing and holding the central settings button for 5 seconds, you will be taken through to a menu that allows you to amend the coffee temperature, water hardness, and auto shut-off time to suit your preferences. For coffee temperature, when in the settings menu, press the single espresso button to change the temperature. Then select from low, optimal, or high. The machine will indicate the setting has been stored. For the water hardness, the machine is factory set to hard water level. This is to protect the machine and ensure longevity. There's a test strip provided to assist with determining your water hardness. Simply dip for 1 second into a glass of tap water. Blue indicates soft water, 1 to 2 pink stripes indicates medium, and 3 stripes and above indicates hard water. To adjust the water hardness, when in the settings menu, press the double espresso button. Select from low, medium, or hard water. And finally, the machine is pre-programmed to go to sleep to conserve energy. It's possible to set this to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. Once in the settings menu, press the steam button to amend this. Select from 10, 20, or 30 minutes. The machine is programmed with 2 menus. The white menu, offering single espresso, double espresso, and steam, and the blue menu, offering a cold brew functionality of single shot, double shot, and steam. To get started with making a hot coffee, first ensure the white menu is selected to prepare an espresso. Choose the appropriate filter. Pressurised filters are great for starting out with this machine. They assist with building the pressure internally, while non-pressurised filters offer greater control when using freshly ground beans. To understand more about these and how to use them, please watch the video linked in the description for a walkthrough guide. With the filter selected, push it firmly into the filter holder. Place fresh ground coffee into the filter, distributing it evenly. It should be approximately 14 grams for a single shot and 18 grams for a double. This may vary depending on the type of beans and the grind size. The portafilter has a built-in tamp mat to protect your work surface. Use the provided tamper to compress the coffee. Align the top of the tamper with the edge of the filter holder to achieve the correct level. Attach the portafilter to the machine and turn it to the locked position. Place your pre-warmed cup beneath the spouts and press either the single or the double espresso button depending on your preference. Monitor the pressure gauge during extraction. A reading within the espresso zone indicates a well-balanced brew. There are many factors that influence the pressure of the extraction. The video linked below delves into troubleshooting and adjustments you can make to achieve the perfect shot of coffee. The espresso should have a soft nutmeg crema covering the top of the coffee. To prepare a cappuccino, begin by pressing the steam button. Wait for the indicator to stop flashing, signalling that the machine is ready to steam. Fill a metal jug with 200 millilitres of cold milk and place it under the steam wand. Position the tip just below the surface and turn the steam lever. Hold one hand on the base to monitor the temperature. Once the milk is frothed and heated to your liking, return the lever to the vertical position. Tap the jug on the surface to knock out any large bubbles and swirl the milk to make a glossy and smooth foam. After each use, wipe it down with a clean, damp cloth and run the steam briefly through the wand to clear any residue. Pour the milk over your prepared espresso and dust with cocoa to finish. And there you have a perfect cup of coffee. For best results, we recommend using whole milk at fridge temperature, but it's possible to steam all milks, including oat, soya and nut milks too. Whilst we've made a hot coffee in today's video, we also have a guide on using the cold brew function too. Please click on the video linked in the description to learn how to do this. There's also a QR code located on the base of the machine. Scan this to get helpful hints and tips to help you get the most out of your appliance. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more.